And when I am talking to the students, I involve them by asking them a simple question. What does this orange color remind you of? And so it starts. Somebody will say chili powder, somebody will say orange, somebody will say food color. Then when they say food color, we make it more interesting by saying, why not you say jalebi color or biryani color, something very specific. Because when we are talking in science, you would like to be very, very specific about what we are talking. So this experiment can be done in two ways. You can just take potassium dichromate like that, take a matchstick and just simply put it, and it will it will start spurting out like a volcano. Or here today we will not do this because we are a little bit more senior people. We will not do it with a matchstick. We will make use of another chemical reaction to initiate this reaction. So what we are doing is, we are taking some potassium permanganate, and on top of that we will add a few drops of glycerine. That should be more than enough to do the reaction. Dichromate, and first we have taken potassium dichromate. On top of that we have added some potassium permanganate. Ammonium dichromate, sorry, not potassium dichromate. But this is a question that is generally asked. Why can't we do it with potassium dichromate? Because it is more easily available. You cannot do it with potassium dichromate because the decomposition products over here are nitrogen, water and chromium trioxide. This is a decomposition reaction. So Khatija, please go ahead. We are adding glycerine, ammonium dichromate, NH4 taken twice in brackets, Cr2O7. As you can see, there is a vigorous reaction taking place over here. As you can see, a lot of flames are coming out. It just looks like a volcano. Now when we do this experiment, several questions can be asked. First of all,